Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the orders of your users on the top here. So if you don't want a user to be like last, or you want to go ahead and move it to like first, it's very easy to do this. So just on the home screen here, let's go on down to System Settings, select this, and then scroll on down to Users. Then we can see the users on here. Let's go to Change Order. And we can change the order just by tapping A on it and then move it to the left or right. So let's put Ruby right next to me and then Jim over here by Rose. Then you go back and then you can see all the icons the way that you arranged it on the top. So hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.